Hello, my name is Anna Potemkina and I want to tell you about myself. I'm 18 years old, live in Dnipropetrovsk, Ukraine. I'm the second year student of Pridniprovsk State Academy of Civil Engineering and Architecture. I study at Architecture department. I'm the only one child in my family, but I have cousins. I worked as a waitress at the restaurant where I serve the tables and work with customers. And as a housekeeper where I clean the rooms and check minibar. In the future I want to be a designer of architecture environment. My hobbies are drawing, working out in gym and driving the bicycle. I think I'm honest, kind, responsible, reliable, communicative, punctual and fast learning. The reasons why I want to take part in the Work and Travel program are very simple. I want to develop my language skills, to make new friends, to get an experience and to spend a great time in the USA. So, thank you for your attention. I hope you like my CV.